Experiencing the no internet connection error when setting up Apple Intelligence? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will guide you through proven solutions to get Apple Intelligence up and running on your iPhone. We'll cover everything from basic connectivity checks to more advanced troubleshooting steps, all based on the latest iOS updates as of October 8th, 2025. Apple Intelligence requires a solid internet connection to activate and download necessary AI models. First, test your Wi-Fi or cellular connection by opening a browser and loading a web page. If it fails, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. A quick trick is to toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Weak or unstable connectivity is a primary cause of activation errors, so ensure a strong, reliable signal. Often overlooked, unaccepted iCloud terms and conditions can block Apple Intelligence activation. This happens because Apple Intelligence requires data sharing permissions that are governed by these terms. To resolve this, visit iCloud.com on any device and sign in with your Apple ID. If prompted, carefully review and accept the updated terms and conditions. This acceptance clears a common setup blockage, allowing Apple Intelligence to initialize and access necessary data for proper functioning. VPNs, device management profiles, or screen time restrictions can interfere with Apple Intelligence activation. First, check VPN and device management. Go to Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management to temporarily disable any profiles or VPNs. Next, review your screen time restrictions to ensure they aren't blocking necessary connectivity. Disabling these can restore normal function and allow activation to proceed. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches or stalled processes that are interrupting Apple Intelligence setup. Hold down the power and volume button until the slider appears. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This clears the cache and resets any processes that may be causing the no internet connection error. If connectivity issues persist, reset your iPhone's network settings. Open Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Confirm with your passcode. This removes corrupted Wi-Fi, VPN, or cellular data settings that may be preventing network access required for setup. Note, you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords after this step. Apple regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve Apple Intelligence activation stability. To update your iOS, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to General, then Software Update. Here you can see available updates. Download and install any available updates to ensure your device has the latest fixes and improvements for Apple Intelligence. Sometimes, the no internet connection error stems from server-side issues beyond your control. Check Apple's system status page at status.apple.com for any ongoing Apple Intelligence outages. If there are reported issues, patience is required until Apple deploys a fix. These errors are often transient and resolve once Apple addresses the server issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helped.